What's good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is a car meet, so I'm about to go to the bank real quick, go deposit some funds, and then head to the car meet. It's in Brooklyn, so I'm probably going to do a POV drive before I get there and maybe stop at this one spot to take pictures real quick. So catch you guys in a second. Traffic. Taxi drivers, bro. I'm in Brooklyn right now. I made it to the spot where I used to work at. They literally used to be past that gate over there. I used to work on a boat going to the Statue of Liberty. So it was like pretty much a tour boat, but they had like foods on there, so like you could dine in on the boat. But I guess they're doing construction. They're doing something over there, so I don't think they dock over there anymore. But it would have been sick if the boat was there, because I could have got a picture with the boat and probably talked to my old co-workers, I guess you could say. But yeah, the spot is pretty sick. I took some photos. I'll put them up in here in a second. But hope you guys enjoy. Maybe I'll do some B-roll for you guys. I fucking suck at B-roll, so I don't know. Let's see what happens. Guys, I really need a front lip and a front grill. I think I'm gonna order some next week and just get it over with. I'm gonna do a luxury grill, fog light deletes, a front lip, and a LTW wing, just to call it a day. And then after I do all of that, I'm gonna get everything painted, get this painted too, and then everything is just gonna be yellow and black trims and all that stuff. But I did put the side skirts on, so the car looks way better already, so you already know how it goes. Oh yeah, also, bro, why get off the highway and I hit like 2 bumps and my e-brake, the things inside the e-brake, the shoes or whatever, it exploded. And like luckily, like I wasn't on the highway doing anything too crazy, even though I was before the drive, but it happened, and I think I should be good enough to make it to the car meet. Fucking helicopter, bro. But yeah, I think I should be good enough to make it to the car meet, and once I get there, I'll probably take the wheel off and take everything off and just take it out just to be safe. But yeah, look, the Statue of Liberty is literally right there. So yeah, I used to go from here in Brooklyn to the Lower East Side. We pick up the people, dock the boat and all that stuff, and then head over there. And like, that's when I used to I did that job and I worked at Audi at the same time. It was horrible. I didn't have no days off. The checks were good because I was making money, but at the same time, it fucking sucked. But that is the spot. There is like another spot over there that I looked at and it looked pretty sick, so I'm gonna head over there too and take some pictures over there. And then after that, I'm gonna leave and go to the car meet. I'll meet up with my friend Tristan and then go to the car meet. This is the second spot right here. It's pretty sick as well. I wish you guys could see the car in person, because like the sunlight is just busting on the car right now. Like the glare is like, even like the quarter panel right there, that glare in person, bro, what? Looks crazy. Nah, this is sick though. I'm about to head out though. I took some photos here too. I wish I could go like over there. That would be really sick to like drive over there and get some photos over there, but it is blocked off. They're probably going to be doing, the boats are probably going to sit here. I think they're going to do ferries here. So probably the ferry from here to the Lower East Side or Seaport area, I guess you could say. Like this shit got a fucking 6th gear, bro. It's really time for a 6th gear transmission, because 5th gear be feeling mad short, even though I have like a 323 diff. The New York cops be like, they're not even in there, bro. I hate that. Got to Brooklyn with the guys. We got Tristan, Kyle, Terrell.
What you drinking over there, bro? What's that?
Piss water.
That's crazy. That's what you like? That's what you into? You dirty ass nigga.
Sunday morning.
What, crazy? About to just drive the E36 straight into the water. Fuck it. Submarine mode. So we made it to the car meet. This shit is kind of dry. This shit dry, bro.
This shit is dry. I told you I didn't know how this shit was gonna turn out.
We got this.
It's close to home, so I can't.
We got this R32 GTR here. What's up?
Shit's clean.
Kind of stock interior. It's not that bad. On the TEs. This is probably the only cool car here, besides my car. I want one of these. This shit is sick. The wheels are fucking ridiculously trash, unfortunately, but besides that, everything else is sick. Bad wheels, bro. The wheels gotta go. Yeah, it's not the cleanest right now. It's pretty dirty.
How'd you get it to fit?
I don't know. That's a great question.
Elbow grease and a lot of holding shit on your stomach. I see it like that.
A lot of elbow grease.
Yeah.
You ever seen a video? Yeah, bro.
Alright, so what is it? What's from what? I just talk to me.
It's built S50 motor, piston rods. It's a T3 turbo manifold, precision turbo, custom downpipe and exhaust.
Do you guys have a shop or you guys do the work?
I did most of it myself, and then I had someone weld it for me because I can't weld.
Shit.
Look at those big ass fucking ships. Bro, what? So I found this spot right here. I kind of like the way how the building looks and all of that. And Kyle's car is like the perfect candidate to take a photo of right here. So I'm about to flick him up real quick. Oh, got the same spot I was at earlier, but just brought all my friends here, basically. So the Statue of Liberty in the back. About to flick this up one more time. I just realized I didn't make another outro again. I'm at work, but this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.